travel day. Can you buy a snack because it's just colorful? Like in all, I thought it was like smooth, right? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's something I would love to try again. This is travel day, and it's today that I am traveling. Okay, about now, this is 6:30, and I have to leave now if I want to get there on time. So I'm already dressed. This is what I'm wearing, and I'm going to wear this now, and also put my lip gloss on. I don't need to wear makeup, just ordinary lip gloss, and I'm good to go. Okay. This is 7:30, and I'm just getting here. So the train take off by 8, and yeah, so I have to be here at the waiting room. I'll show you the whole full room. It's actually very pretty. Now we are going, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay. So this is where I'm going. I love convenience. So I just go here and I've seated. This is what time is this is 7:41, and yeah, we still have like less than 20 minutes to stay here before the train take off. So Yeah, oh, it's looking pretty. I actually enjoyed everything. And I can't wait to get to Ibadan. So pretty. Yeah. So, I don't think everything. Let's get it. With me, I have a few things I can make use of. Like, this is book that I'll be reading. Yes. It's actually a movie.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now departing Bubolaji Jolsi Station. Our next stop is at Baba to the Rajifashala train station, Agege. Please be reminded that smoking or drinking of alcohol is not allowed on board. Please turn on later, as waste bins are available at the rear of each car. Kindly use them properly. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now at Obafemi Awolowo train station, Monia, Ibadan, where this trip will be concluded. All passengers should remember to take their luggage with them when exiting.
Finally at Ibadan, and I'm loving this view. Yeah, that's it. Monia at Ibadan. So, wow, this Ibadan is very pretty. It's very nice. It's good to travel once in a while. So let me just show you around before I enter the next bus. So I'm in the cab going to Iwo Road. Yes, and when I get to Iwo Road, I'll take another by going to Buluwaji. So that's exactly where I'm going to. Yes, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is me going back to Lagos. I'm really sorry I couldn't vlog at Ibadan. The thing is that what I actually wanted to do, there's no way I'll be able to vlog, so that's why I didn't do anything. I didn't show you guys what I actually went for, but it was work related. So this is me going back, and even though I was very tired at this point, I just said let me just do a clip that yes, I'm going back. So this is me doing the clip that I'm going back to Lagos. Yes, with my tired face. I'm tired also, and yeah, this is just it. So I will see you guys later. Bye. Hi everyone. I know I've not carried my camera in a while. Like the last time you guys saw me was 2 days ago. Yes, Wednesday when I traveled to Ibadan, and today is Friday. And yes, I've been busy. Yeah, and that has been taking my time, and I'm really sorry about that. So, and this morning I'm getting ready to go to my fashion school, and I thought to just like give you like a get ready with me thing why I talk about my travel. So my travel was like a smooth ride. I love my train ride. It was so smooth, and I love everything about it. And yeah, it's something I would love to try again. Like definitely try again. I love the service. I love one thing about it. It was more AC inside that place. Very, very cooling. I love it. I don't think I knew how cold it would be in there. I would have worn like a proper cover clothes, so I would not be that cold. It got to a stage I was shivering, like I was like this. But it was like a very, very smooth ride. I even watched movies and all. And the interesting part about this is that the train is that it has, just like airplane, it has classes. It's the classes that are arranged according to how you have your money, you know. Just like airplane, it has first class, standard class, and it has first class, it has standard class, and it has business class as well. So the first class is just like a one seat beside the window, one seat here, and the other side here it's for couples. Yes, if in case you come as a couple, and the fee is just about 9,000 to 10,000 naira. Yes, so the business class, that goes for around from 6,000 to 7,000. That one is two beside the window, two beside this window, and two beside this window. While the standard class, which is what I went for, is around 3,600, and it's two by the side of the window to my right, and three by the side of the window to my left. So just the difference is just the according to the ticketer, the difference between the three is just the space. Yes, and every other thing about it, you have to pay with your money. Like the foods there, they are not free. There's no free food. There's no, you know, drinks are not free. Snacks are not free. Yeah, you get to buy everything with your money. So that's it. Get to buy everything with your money, and that's it. So it was just like a smooth ride. Yes, I would love to go again, and this time around I would love to explore the restaurants there and make a review of it. So that's just all about it. And you know, I cannot go to a place without getting their unique thing, like unique snacks that they sell there. So there's this snacks. When I was coming back, I almost didn't even want to buy anything, but when I was coming back I saw this pretty nice snacks, and the reason I bought it is because it's very, very colorful. Imagine, who does that? How can you buy snacks because it's just colorful? I'm that weird. Like, I bought it because it's very, very colorful, and I assume it's going to taste nice. So I've not tried it yet, so I just want to like try it. So after I'm done with my skincare, I'll just, so that's it. Let me just get it for you. I'm coming. Okay, so this is it. Pardon me, I don't know the name of it, but I just bought this because it's very, very colorful. I am very weird. I know people tell me I am weird, because how can I just buy this because of the color attached to it? I don't even know how it tastes, but because I just love that it's very colorful, I bought it. Who does that? Like, am I not weird? Let's try it. So that is it. So let me just open it and try it out. Hopefully it's going to be as sweet as the color. So let me bring out the green. See, this is it. So this is it. So let me just. It's hard. Number one, it's very hard. Number two, it has this after bitter taste. Let me try the pink if it's going to be good. It's also hard, though it melts in your mouth when you put it in your mouth, but it's hard, and it has this after bitter taste. When you want to bite it, it's very sweet, but when you want to swallow it, it's bitter. So in all, I'll rate it like 4. I'm not a fan of this because it's not, you can't find it in Lagos. It's very common in Ibadan, but you can't find it in Lagos. That's why I bought it. I've never seen it before, so this is my first time seeing it, so that's why I bought it. Yeah, so I'll be ending my vlogs here. I hope you love it. I hope you love my trip. I hope you love the details I put in there. So if you want to travel, yeah, definitely you want to travel to Ibadan and you don't know how to go about it or what to do or how to book, I hope this video has explained everything to you in details, because I tried making it in detail so you will not be left out in any way. So after seeing this video, you can share to your loved ones, and do not forget to always click on the like button. This is just the shape of the like button. Please click on it and share to your loved ones and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next vlog or sit down video, anyone. So see ya later. Bye.